Morning students, I am MANIKANT MISHRA, Modern English School, New Area. So yesterday we had discussed the classification of an element. The very first classification was made by Lavoisier, but that classification was not very effective. So meanwhile, that John Dalton proposed atomic weight, though now we call it as atomic mass. So this atomic mass, after the coming into the effect of atomic mass, the scientists started to correlate the properties of an element with the atomic mass. So making use of atomic mass, the scientists started to make the classification based on the atomic mass. In this regard, the Dobereiner tried to classify the elements. He tried to arrange the element with similar properties into groups. While the classification, he put the three elements in a group which is popularly known as a triad. While arranging the elements, he tried to classify the elements, he put the elements in a group and he picked up the three elements in a group. That is popularly known as a triad. While arranging the elements in a triad, he found that the elements in a triad had similar properties. The elements had similar properties and the atomic mass of the triad being equal to the middle element of the triad, atomic mass of the middle element of the triad being equal to the atomic mass or average atomic mass of the other two elements. While arranging the elements by the Dobereiner, he found the elements in a triad had similar properties and the atomic mass of the middle element of the triad is approximately equal to the average of the atomic mass of the other two elements. For example, first triad he has taken as lithium, sodium, potassium. The lithium has 6.9, but I made use of 7. Atomic mass of lithium is 7, potassium is 23, and lithium has 7, sodium has 23, and potassium has 39. So according to Dobereiner, the atomic mass of sodium is equal to the average atomic mass of lithium and potassium. It means atomic mass of sodium is equal to 7 plus 23 divided 7 plus 39 divided by 2, which is equal to 23. In fact, the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Now, regarding the properties of these three elements, as you all know that these three elements are first of all metal. All are monovalent, it means it has valency 1. The next, these metal react with water, forms basic solution which is called alkalis. Next triad he pick up calcium, strontium, barium. Calcium, strontium and barium. Calcium has atomic mass 40, strontium has 88 and barium has atomic mass 137. So once again, the average atomic mass of atomic mass of strontium is equal to average atomic mass of calcium and barium. So average mass of strontium equals to 40 plus 137 divided by 2, which is coming to 88.5. That is not exactly equal, approximately equal to, close to that atomic mass of strontium, but atomic mass of strontium is 88. Now regarding the properties of these elements, all the three elements are metal. Calcium, strontium and barium are metal. Sorry, here is a mistakenly I have written here all are covalent. No, all are divalent. All are divalent. Mistakenly I have written here all are divalent. All are divalent. Please make it a correction here. All are divalent. Next, these elements are called alkaline earth metals. All these are called alkaline earth metal because their oxides are found in the earth. Because their oxides are found in the earth, that's why it is called alkaline earth metal. Next tried he pick up as a non-metal, that is a chlorine, bromine and iodine. Chlorine has atomic mass 35.5, bromine has atomic mass 80 and iodine has atomic mass 127. Chlorine has atomic mass 35.5, bromine has atomic mass 80 and iodine has atomic mass 127. So when you calculate as per Dobereiner's instruction, it comes approximately equal to 81.8, which is not in fact equal to the atomic mass of bromine but close to it, that is a 18. Now regarding the properties of these element, first of all these are non-metal. All react with metal forms salt. All these elements react with metal forms salt. That's why it is called halogen. Halo means salt, gen means producer. So these elements have ability to form salt. That's why commonly it is called halogen. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are called astatine. So, and all are monovalent. Their valence is 1. But Dobereiner could not fit all the known elements. All the elements which were known at that time, which were present at that time, could not fit into the triad. So his classification becomes unsuccessful because he could not arrange all the elements into the triad, or all the known elements which were present at that time could not fit into the triad. So his classification becomes unsuccessful. Now next scientist came, that is a Newland. Newland is an English chemist. He tried to arrange the element on the basis of the similarities of the properties, and he also tried to correlate the properties of the element with the atomic mass. So, when he tried to arrange the elements on the basis of increasing atomic mass, he arranged the elements on the basis of increasing atomic mass, and he found that while arranging the elements on the basis of increasing atomic mass, every eighth element, properties of every eighth element are a repetition of the properties or is while arranging the elements. While arranging the element, he observed that every eighth element had a property similar to the first. When he arranged the elements, he found that every eighth element had similar properties to the first. So Newland suggested that when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, the properties of eighth element are a repetition of the first element, like the octave of music. Like in a fundamental notes of music you have come across, that is a sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sha. You see that first letter was sa, again it came to the sha, eighth one. Similarly, when the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic mass, what the element of the first element resemble with the properties of the eighth element. Like he correlate with the octave of music. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sha. So it is called Newland's classification, also called law of octave of music. Thank you. Have a nice day.